All right, guys, today we're going to talk about using the TI Inspire to order and compare numbers. The TI Inspire is a great device for doing those types of things, especially when you have various types of numbers and various number formats. The key thing I want you guys to remember that if you hear something such as least to greatest, lowest to highest, smallest to largest, that will be the word ascending, starting with an A. If you hear something such as highest to lowest or greatest to least and so forth, that will be descending, which is essentially with a D. All right, so the first thing we want to do is when you want to order something, you always want to go to your list and spreadsheets. What I want to do is I want to put a variable up here. Let's put a variable up here. Now you're going to notice some numbers pop up. I can use any variable, but remember, whenever you put a variable up here, it will copy the previous information from another document into the calculator. So let's go here and let's just delete all this. Okay. All right. So I want to order this from greatest to least. So here go the numbers I'm going to put in here. The key to this is making sure you use the equal sign in each cell. So I put the equal sign and I'm going to put a fraction in there. There you go. Let me put an equal sign in there for the next one. And the next one is going to be 1 over 4. Okay? Let me put an equal sign again. The next one is going to be 0.18. And the last one is going to be equal to 0.2. Okay? Now, when I'm talking about ordering something, it's basically sorting. And let me try to sort something out right now. Let me just keep my cursor right here. Go to menu, actions. Oh, I'm running into an issue. I can't sort it from here. The key to this is making sure that it's always in that particular cell. You see that it's in that particular cell right there? It has to be in that particular part. Now I can press menu, actions. Now I can go to sort. And what was I doing? I was doing greatest to least, correct? So that means I need to put it on descending. Press OK. There you go. So you see it puts it in order from greatest to least for me. Very simple process. I can also do the same thing if it asks me to do it from least to greatest. Menu, actions, sort. I'm going to put it in ascending order this time. Now it puts it in order from least to greatest for me. Very easy process using the TI Inspire. Okay? Now, I want to talk about another type of problem. What if I have a problem such as this right here? We run into these problems all the time. And we're trying to figure out, where will 18 go? Is it Q, R, S, or T? Simple process to do with this is use the Inspire. Okay? So, let me put those numbers in there. Once again, remember, let's delete these. So I delete it. All right. When I do it, I'm going to put each one of these numbers into the calculator, as well as this number right here. And it will tell me exactly where it will fall. Okay, so let me put the 4 in there. Remember, I need to put the equal sign first. Equal 4. Equal 4.25. Equal 4.5. Equal 4.75. Equal 5. Now wait, I still have to put this problem in here because I want to know which one of these is the square root of 18. So let me put the equal sign. Square root of 18. All right, and look at that. It automatically took that and it simplified it for me. So if you look closely, this is giving me the original context, and then this right here is giving it to me simplified. All right. Now, whenever I look at it from a number line standpoint, let me put it in order from least to greatest. Okay. So go to menu, actions, sort, ascending. Now I can see exactly where that will fall. Will it be on the 4? Will it be Q? No. Look like that square root of 18 is in between 4 and 4.25. So that lets me know my answer is R. So that is how we do numbers when you have it on the number line. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, one last one that I want to look at is when I'm talking about comparing numbers. So let's say I want to compare two numbers. Let me go back and delete these now. Let's make sure all of these are deleted. All of these are deleted. All right, and I got one more to delete. So I'm going to use the numbers. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use 4.5. Remember, press that equal sign first. Equal sign 4.75. And the question may be asking me which is smaller. Okay? So if it's asking me which is smaller, it doesn't matter if it is least to greatest. It doesn't matter if I put it greatest to least as far as ascending. Just make sure that you understand in which format it is. So let me go to this part, menu, actions, sort. Remember, it doesn't matter. Let me just put in descending. Remember, that's greatest to least. And what was the question again? Which one is smaller? Since I put in order from greatest to least, which is descending, I can tell that 4.5 is smaller. All right. And that pretty much concludes how to complete this process with ordering numbers, various types of formats. Remember, your key is list and spreadsheets and always pressing that equal sign. Thank you very much.